me get my shit out of the vehicle. Let me get my shit out of the vehicle.
I got you, bro.
Let me get my
You
shit
can
out
get
of
it.
the
You
vehicle.
can get it out. You can get it out.
Let me get my shit out.
You can get it out. I know
Put the
you.
vehicle down before I blow your fucking head off.
Hold on.
Put the vehicle down before I blow your head off.
I'm putting it down. I'm putting it down. I'm putting it. I know you, bro.
Put the fucking...
It's down.
Damn, man.